Hey everybody, so this is my by Felicia Braid Out quick little mini tutorial. I'm not showing it from the beginning, but I'll probably do it a little bit later. So first I get some coconut oil when I'm doing the takedown for it. Just grab a little bit, you don't need a whole lot. I just grab it underneath my nails and then just rub it on all the braids. My hair is pretty moisturized already from the products that I use for my braid out, which I will be posting about which ones I use. But I still just add a little bit more just for the takedown, still just so like it stays like extra moisturized and shiny and stuff like that. But I could already tell like with, you know, how my braids were looking that it was gonna be pretty shiny regardless. So right now I'm just taking it down. I try to do it as gentle as possible. You know, sometimes I'm kind of heavy-handed and I'm a little impatient, so I could go a little bit slower sometimes, but I'm just doing it as gently as I can. And ignore that, whatever I just did with my mouth there. But yeah, so I try to just take it down as gently as I can. So you got to remember that when you're doing like the takedown. I'm gonna be posting like the full video later on how I do my by Felicia braid outs, and I keep calling it that because they remind me of like the braids that Felicia wore on Friday, so that's why I call it that, just so you guys know, if you guys couldn't tell by the beginning of the video. All right, so I'll finish taking these down. So then I take my blow dryer with my little cheap little diffuser thing that I bought from the beauty supply store. I think it was like only like $5 or something like that. And I put it on a cool setting, not just like the regular cool setting. Like I push like the blue button, just to make it even colder, so I can really prevent any like heat damage or anything like that. So yeah, so just gonna diffuse my hair a little bit, and I typically do this with my hair anyway, but my hair was still a little damp. My hair normally it takes like over a day for it to kind of get dry. It's like a dang sponge, so it takes a really long time for my hair to get dry. And I did these like this morning, and I had them in like maybe I want to say a little bit over half the day. And so now I'm just like diffusing it, and I'm just trying to get it a little bit dry in the middle and stuff like that, because that's mainly where it's like still damp, like towards like the center of my hair and stuff, so towards the scalp. So I'm just gonna keep diffusing it till I get it to a decent, you know, just a decent amount, like, you know, so it's like dry and stuff like that, just a little bit, just not as damp as what it is right now. Then once I've gotten to the point where I'm pretty much done diffusing it, I then will actually start stretching my hair. You know, some girls, I mean, if you guys want to just wear it like that, like the way it comes out, you know, from the braid out and stuff like that, you definitely can. Me personally, I like my hair with much more volume than that. I'm definitely not going to add too much. Like, I'm not going to pick it out or anything like that, because I do want this braid out to last me just a little bit. My curls and my hair doesn't always really last me that long. I still haven't figured out a really good night routine yet. I'm still experimenting with my night routines. I've tried pineapples, I've tried, the bonnet, and all the time, like every single time I do any one of those, like doesn't matter what I do, my hair comes out a mess the next day. So I just want this braid out to last me even just maybe like a couple of days or something like that. And so I don't want to make it too poofy and stuff, but I just want to add a little bit more volume. I don't want it to look like I just took a braid out down. Like I want it to look like maybe she's been wearing that for maybe like a day or something. Something like that. Just add more volume. Make it pretty into a hairstyle. Then once we're done, go ahead and play with it. Pose. Make sexy faces in the mirror. That's what I like to do. Or also if you're like me, I like to take like kind of sexy pictures and stuff like that with my hair, and you're pretty much done at that point. You can kind of play with it with your hands just to kind of adjust it to how you guys want, and but pretty much you're done there. So all right, I hope you guys really like this video. I really like the way my hair came out. It could have been a little bit better, but I still love the way it came out, so it'll still be cute. Thanks, you guys.